Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box. I just got this in today, so we're going to be opening it up and seeing what we got. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm just going to dig right in. I did get a card and the theme is Candy Shop. And I got the variation 70. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. And let's see. It retails for $23, so not too bad. It says, prepare to be assessed with the ultrafine vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. So I'm pretty excited to have another setting spray. I've been kind of wanting to try this. I've never tried this before. I have the Stay Spray that I've tried that from Tarte, but I've never tried this before, so I'm excited to try this out. Alright, so the next thing is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter. And that's what it looks like. Let me swatch it real quick. It's kind of sheer, but it has a little bit of a tint to it. A little bit of color. Let's see what it says. It's Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of cupuaçu butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable, and the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche, and it retails for $20. So not too bad. I can never have enough lip products for my lips, so pretty excited about that as well. Then we have the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. Has a different smell. See what it says about that. Spongel has collaborated with Boxycharm to create limited edition body wash infused buffers. These buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of yazoo, edelweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home, and it retails for $20. They're really trying to get me with all these names today. I'm horrible at pronunciations, but so I've gotten one of these before, but I gave it to my daughter, so I've never used these before, so I'm excited to try it out. The next thing is the Reeler Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. That's what the outside looks like, kind of marbly. And then open it up, and that's what it looks like. So bronzer, blush, and highlight. It's pretty exciting. I like this highlight. Let me see if I can. Ooh, that's a pretty highlight. It feels super soft too. And that's what, you got the blush, the highlight, and the bronzer. So that's what the swatches look like. Really pretty. I'm pretty excited to dip into it and see what it looks on my face. What it looks like on my face. Alright, and it says, this cheek trio has all of the angles covered. This high quality silky formulation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted, the hollows perfectly chiseled, and the apples of your cheeks subtly flushed with a universal peach. And it retails for $28. Alright. Pretty excited about that. I never use enough blushes and bronzers and highlights. So the next thing is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a real pretty color story. I like that. I'll have to try that out in a video soon. Really, really pretty. Alright, let's see what it says about it. Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up, and it retails for $38. Let me wipe these swatches off, and I'm going to swatch a couple of, like a matte and a shimmer, to see what it looks like. It looks like it's got different formulas in here. Alright. So there's a few swatches. This one looks like a matte with a shimmer in it. But I swatched 3 mattes because the formulas, it looks like some of them have shimmer in them, or there might be a shimmer, because this one looked like it might have been a shimmer, but it was a matte. This one's a shimmer, this one's a matte, and this one looks like it's got some shimmer in it, like some sparkle in it, so like a matte with shimmer. But I'm super excited to dig into this. What I'll probably do is I'll probably do a video on it and try it out. So kind of keep your eye out on that if you're interested. But that's it for what I got in my Boxycharm. Let me grab my phone real quick, and I'm going to add up everything that I got, and we'll see how much all this cost real quick. Alright, so we got $129. Is that right? Yeah, $129 is what everything cost in my base box. So not too bad for $25. I'm super excited about the stuff that I got. I can't wait to dig in and try some of them. I'm excited about the Face Duo, the eyeshadow palette, and I'd say everything. I'm excited about everything, but the main things I'm excited about is everything except for this. I'm not as excited about this. I mean, it's a sponge to wash your body, but like the setting spray, I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to have the lip conditioner stuff, the cheek trio, and the eyeshadow palette. So I think I racked up this time. I'm super excited about what I got in my Boxycharm. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Boxycharm. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope y'all are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourselves. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.